Hey guys, for today's video, lalaro tayo ng Arsenal. Yeah, let's go. Deploy. Red? I think that's red. I don't know. Whoosh. Ay! Bad team. Ay! Asin yun? Nagsimula sa simpleng napasulyap. Okay. Napasulyap, nagpapapansin sa'yo. Bagi. Na makita. Let's stay here muna. Okay, let's go. Ang bigat-bigat ng gun ko. Okay, anyways. Nagsimula sa simpleng napasulyap, nagpapapansin sa'yo. Ay, ang bigat na naman ng gun ko. Ay! Okay guys, English na. Cause, I don't know. Why is it like I've stopped using English when it was like, tawag dito? Like, I stopped school, I guess? No, I didn't stop school. It's like, I'm on break right now. I stopped using English because, obviously, nagtatagalog ko dito sa bahay. Anyway, pero like, minsan lang. Why is my voice so deep? Nakakainis. Di ko pa rin naano yung gun ko. Ayan. Yehey! Buddy. I have a habit of calling people buddy. Gay in English. No one's even gonna watch my videos. It's fine. I like uploading stuff. Ngayon ay tayo ngayon. Maglalaro ng Arsenal. No, I'm literally playing it right now. Oh my god, I'm not that good at this game. I'm like, because I don't like this map. It's kinda talaga. Don't really like it. Hi! Sino yun? Ba't laging may mga notifications ako? Hindi naman on yung messenger ko. Ay! Baby girl! Ay, okay. That's weird. Is my mic okay? I don't know. Like, you know what? Kapag naglalaro ako ng ng Arsenal, like, lagi akong nakakita ng mga username na may walang nagsasend. Ay, si ate pala. Oh no, it's ate. Nagsimula sa simple na pasulyap, so bakit Okay. Lara na. Yay! I don't know if I'm not that good at this map, man. Baby girl. Ay! Why am I circling around that? It's not even like... Ay! Sino yan? Nagsimula sa simple na pasulat, sulat na papapansin sa'yo. Boosh. Ay! May tao! Critical hit daw. Critical, diba mamamatay ka na doon kapag critical? Sino yun? Hi! I am grandma. I am a grandma. I have so much money. I don't know what to spend it on. So I'm sure now. I'm sure, cause please, No? Okay. Patibag. Pading. Where's unlocked? What's that? I'm only level 29 pa lang ako dito. I sound so ano kaya konyo kapag nagtatagalog ako. Tagalog. Tagalog. Well, ang fake talaga ng isang pinsan ko. I won't name call. I'm not gonna do that because she might see my videos. Like, it's from my mom's side. She's from my mom's side. No, I'm not even friends with any of my cousins on my mom's side. Like, only one, though. Only one. I've been talking to her for like so long. She's not the one I'm saying that's fake. Not her. She's cool. Meow, 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 meow. Sabing, ay! I'm so, oh my gosh. Maglalatag ka na, Ma? Ma? Ano nangyari? Sabing, ay! Ay. Life's like this. That's the way it is. Chill out, what we yelling for? Lay back, it's all been done before. And if you could only let it be, you will see. I like you the way you are when we're driving in your car. La 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 la. Cause life's like this and la 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 la. The way it is. Ba't nag-buns ng wifi mo? Anong buns? Ano sinasabi nila? What does buns mean? I'm a grandma, guys. Look. They bought something and like a thing in the crates. What's this video? I got vampire, but I don't know if I should use it. It's cute. Oh, this guy looks so cute. Do I use Tinker? Her like hair looks like my hair, but mine's a bit longer. Do I use it? No, I'm gonna stick to Garage. Sorry, oh, never mind. I'm gonna become Tinker then. Okay. Because if one day you wake up and see that you're missing me, and your heart starts to wonder where on this earth I could be, maybe, wait, no. Sino yan? Ay, OA. OA. La 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 la. Life's like this, yeah. La 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 la. It's the way it is. Oh. Chill out, what we yelling for? Lay back, it's all been done. Why am I just singing that part? Pating. Nagsimula sa simpleng napasulap, sulit ang papapansin sa'yo. I don't know, it's been stuck in my head. La 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 la. La. La la la. Oh yeah, I have can mace nga pala. It looks like hi! A corn dog, yeah. Wait, someone's texting me. Okay, let's go back. Got distracted, but it's fine. Ay! Ding! Lock in, let's lock in, guys. Let's lock in. Okay. After I said that I died, wow. I'm not gonna edit this. I don't have time to edit. And I think we don't have space on the PC. La 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 la. La. La 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 la. Oh, headshot. Ang taas ng MS ko. What's MS? What's MS, guys? Ay! I hit that guy's head like 5 times. And then still didn't die. Bro! Chill out, what you yelling for? Lay back, it's all been done before. And if you could only let it stay, you will see. I like... Oh, never mind. OA lang. Ano yun? Nagsimula sa simple na pasulyat-sulyat at pagkakansin sa'yo. So, Buns Wi-Fi. Ano? Ano ba yung Buns? Is that a person? I don't know what they're talking about. Ano ba yan? Ang pangit kasi ng gun ko. No, I know. I'm not... Hindi. That's just skill issue, actually. Skill issue lang yan. Don't mind me. Ay, hindi pala. Hindi pala. Sorry. La 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 la. Ay! Lord. Why am I saying Lord? Ay, sorry po. Ooh. Hi. La 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 la. Yes. Chill out, what you yelling for? Lay back, it's all been done before. Hi! My gosh. Nagsimula sa simple na pasulyat-sulyat at papapansin sa... Ay! Why do you keep singing that? So weird. La... La. Sino yun? Ay! Ano buy something to restore later? Naglalag ba ako? Golden knife na. Okay. Marami na nakapansin sa buong bilangan. Pero may kinag-i-regisyon sa desisyon ng mga kulang na isang pagkakaroon sa mga. Chill out, what you yelling for? 125 XP. Yo! Ay. Oh yeah, you can't see my face because I don't have a cam. How do you even record with a cam? Like when you're playing a game, how do you do that? Chill out, what you yelling for? Lay back, it's all been done before. Ay wait, legacy competitive? No, I don't know. Oh, I just burped. Meow. Ay, nahawa na ako sa mga pusa ko. Obviously, they're gonna meow. Like, it's upset. It's, too much na. Target ba ako? Hindi naman, no? Ay. Really, sino yun? Ay, ang daming tao. I'm probably gonna end this after like 1 or 2 rounds. Xiaomei, I think, cause I'm sure now. Ay, sino yan? La. La 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 la. Who's that? Dan. I don't know how to pronounce that. Stupid. Chill out, what you yelling for? Lay back, it's all been done before. I'm paranoid, bruh. Paranoid. Cause like somebody might just be behind me and I don't know. Like, where's the baby girl? Hi, sino yan? Aw, Tinkers is so cute. Her thing is so cute. Like, she's gonna be so mean. Now I know. Does the characters have backstories ba? Sino yan? Wow, taunted, really taunted talaga. Yan, deserve mo. Nagtataunt ka dyan, and then like, you don't even see us. Ay! I'm sure now. I'm sure, cause these plan one when I'm on the right beaches and the walls painted white. You tell me all the secrets don't wait for the tide. Just what even is a tide? I'm dumb. All I've been doing is playing Roblox, and my friends that are smart, what they do in their summertime is literally so freaking weird. Cause like they're even studying in summertime. I think they have Kumon or something. Kumon's hard, right? One of my cousins have that, but I think she's dropped out of Kumon. I saw it, but cause I'm sure now. Ay! Baby girl. Who's that? Who's that? Oh, diba? 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 Oh, naging aso. Why are you dog? My rabies. Ayokong magka-rabies. What's that? Oh yeah, it's from my kuya. He has like this thing. Cause I'm not allowed to touch his stuff, but he left outside. This is like the computer, the family computer, but anyways. Yeah. I don't know. We don't have enough money. Dun, 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 friendly guy. I swear, if I see someone with Pogi in their username, I'm gonna cry. Magiging aso ako. Hey, baby girl. Hi. Oh, patay. Okay, anyways, let's go. Saan na ako pupunta? I'm sure, cause these blend one when I'm on. Oh my god. Wait, why is her avatar like that? What an avatar niya? No, her skin. How is she doing that? Isn't that ano? Ay, hindi. Okay. Kala ko naman, men. Kala ko naman. Meow! 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 Yeah. Meow. Oh my god, I remember the first video. My video. Yeah, the first one I uploaded. I think next round I'm gonna do it, and then after the round I'm gonna just end it now. How many rounds is this, ba? Next time I think I'm gonna play next. Valorant. I have an account in Valorant. I might my friend. Bading. I got her head pero namatay ako. Ano ba yan? Chill out, what you yelling for? Lay back, it's all been done before. And if you could only let it be, you will see. Ah, okay. Let's go. La! La 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 la. La. Ay! Wow, ha, wow. It's wow. Hi, baby girl. Hey, he looks cool. His avatar thing looks cool. Revenge. Who's even gonna watch this? I don't think anyone would want to watch this. Cause like, it's kind of boring for them, I think. Just to watch someone play. But I don't know, it's them. It's on them. The game. Hi. La. Ay, sorry po. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I think you were, maybe, tawag dito. I think he was, like, AFK, maybe? I don't know. La. La 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 la. La 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 la. Why does he keep on, is he a crab? He's like doing this. Is he a crab or what? Chill out, what you yelling for? I like this map. Oh! His eyes are so creepy. Meow, meow. My back looks like I'm a shrimp. I am a shrimp, guys. No, I like eating shrimp, but I'm not a shrimp. Shrimp tastes so good. It's like, for those people who have like allergies on shrimp, that's just sad because you guys can't taste sinigang na may hipon. Like, sarap. Sarapiness. Ay, hindi. Hey, girl. Hey. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright, anyways. Am I the only one in my team? Parang ako na lang yung nasa team ko eh. Like, bro, hello? Hey! Oh. Next round, pagkatapos nun, I'm gonna leave. No, I'm not. I'm gonna be ending it na. Actually, no, I don't know. Choice. Ill with that vid. Chill out. What? Stop, Mikey. Stop it. I'm probably gonna make a opening and outro. No, why did I say that? I'm gonna make one after this thing. Hey, blue na naman. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. I'm not good at this game at all. This is hard. Nawala na ang skills ko. Kasi like before, I would like always play this. No, wait, no. Yeah, I would. And then, ngayon lang ako nakakapag like catch up ba? Catch up? I don't like ketchup. Don't ask why. I'm just like that. Like, for example, cheeseburger or like Jolly hot dog. Ay, hindi hot dog. Like, yeah, I'm just gonna say hot dog. Like the sandwich hot dog thing or something like that. Oh, this is distracting whenever I'm talking while playing this. Okay. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. I don't know what I'm gonna put on my opening and outro. I'll just decide it later. Oops, patay. Ay! Tinkers is so cute. Legit. Tinkers is so freaking cute. So cute. So cutesy, so delicious. What? Girl, what? I bet on losing dogs. I don't know. You know what? Whenever nagla... Bro. Ayan. Ah, si Kuya. I'm sure. Ay. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Don't say goodbye. Smell you later. I can't. I don't know. But parang wala. Okay, I don't like this anymore. What? How many do I have kills? How many kills do I have ba? Asan yan? Anyari, ma? Nagsimula sa shooting na pasulat. Nakapansin sa'yo. Good shot, mate. You got his head. Sino yun? Hi, pa.
Hello.
Okay. Should I be done with this or another round? Okay. Bye. Anyway guys, I'm gonna go na, bye.